Hello. Okay, we should be live in few seconds. Let me reset the timer. Now we have 1 hour to test. Yesterday we did the preparation basically, and now we are gonna work on actually testing each of the things. So we can say we'll just start assertions here. Assert O H. What was the name? UOLH. UOLH dot get sender user op comma sender. Do you see? We have sender. For harness, no, we need to go in user op library. It returns the sender. We already know that. All data user op data. Okay, I understand that. It just takes data and converts into uint60, and that will be that's typecasted to address, and that's how we get our address. For gas price, whatever is the minimum, it takes that. So in our case, max, and it should be 20. So second part will be assert equal to UOLH dot gas price user op comma max. It takes lesser of two values, which are, sorry, we can go back. So priority fee per gas plus base fees. Our base fees are 0. Priority fee will be 40. Where we should have like max priority 20. Then max priority fee will be lesser of two values. We don't need to. If someone sees the code, they'll understand. Then for encode, it takes sender nonce hash of init code, hash of call data, gas values, pre-verification gas fees, and hash of paymaster. Okay, so we need to keep this in mind. Let's generate bytes. Encoded data equal to abi.encode sender nonce kcalc 256 init code k kcalc. I don't know how to pronounce it. Just keep that. Whenever I say kcalc, it's 256 is this function. Oh, let me tweet. I forgot to tweet. So, hey, live now. Okay, live now. Join in. Long. I have to create a key binding for long dash. I always want to use it, but it's not on the keyboard. So I always have to copy that thing from somewhere else. Okay, now back to our stream. Encode part. We were testing this, right? Now it will be call data, then account. Oh no, we haven't created it, right? Let's copy this part. Then pre-verification gas, and now this part. So that's a comma, not kcak 256. Kcak 256. This memory. Now we'll say assert equal to ulh dot encode user op and then encoded data. Now we just need to do assert u ulh dot what was unpack max priority fee per gas user op max priority fee. We can do the same here. Unpack max fees per gas, max fees per gas. Unpack verification. Hopefully we are doing everything correct. If not, we are fucked. So just keep that in mind. Call gas limit, call gas limit. Next is unpack paymaster verification. Paymaster verification. Unpack paymaster post of gas limit. Paymaster post of gas limit. Here, I guess I have to check. I have to check. Okay, so next next part is we want to check these fields. It returns these three parts, right? I forgot how this will return a tuple. Let me go to browser. You guys can see it, right? Okay. What can I hash? Can I hash? Okay, just tuple in solidity. Okay, hash of tuple in solidity. Hash function. No, not hash functions. How does hash function? No, that's not for solidity. I don't know if we can take a hash of that. Okay, let's go back. What we can do is we can take those three values, unpack those, and check it. Let me cross check. Okay, sorry if my voice was too loud. Can I hash a return value which is a tuple in solidity with k k kcalc 256? Yes, you can, it says. Get a tuple, then encode it. Okay, if that's the case, unpack the master fields, and we want to pass paymaster and data. Can we use kcalc 256? Yeah, if let's see. Implicit conversion. Okay. Can we ABI dot encode it? No, we can't. Okay. For this, that doesn't make sense. So what we can do is let's remove this. Go at the top here. We'll unpack those values. First is address, returned pmaster, then verification gas limit, which is UN 256, RET verification pmaster, UN 256, RET post op. Now we can do is kgak 256, then abi.encode. You can pass all those values. Verification, RET post op. Kgak 256 abi.encode paymaster verification paymaster post op. And for hash encoded data, we just need to take hash of that. Assert equal to ulh dot hash user op, and we can say kgak 256 encoded data. Let's copy and hopefully it runs. Forge test dash dash empty. I thought so. This will happen. Lots of variables are in there. Stack 2 deep error. What we can do is we'll keep everything as it is. Just push all these values in the state. Not ideal, I know, but that's what we got to do. Like there is no other way. Like there is some other way, maybe. I just don't know. I haven't learned how. I haven't figured out how to do this. What? How to get rid of those stack 2 deep error. Also, PS, I haven't got those errors a lot of the time, so don't worry about. It's not like I'm avoiding learning it, but just doesn't come up that much. That's why I just decided, okay, it doesn't really matter right now. If this, I was a freelance or full-time developer, and I was getting that too many times, and I'm still not learning, then that would be a different scenario. But right now, that's not the case, so everything is peachy. Okay, we have done everything. Let's remove this and we can set it here and remove all the types. View, okay. View. Assertion failed. Okay, that's a good scenario because it returns 40. Why does it returns 40? It's from which the gas rate. Max fees per gas. Can we console log something? We have random values, gas limits. Okay, so it's happening here. Console log block dot what was that? Base fees. Okay, base fee. We have to import console to as console. Where are we getting? Okay, this. Not no capital F, small f. Is 0, right? So priority fee per gas. Oh, we packed it wrong. Oh shit. Okay, let's go back to ERC4337 EIPs. We want to check the EIP. User operation, fact verification, call, Mac priority, this. Okay, verification. So we have verification, call, priority, max. Okay. We were packing that wrong. That's why. What happened? Okay, which encode worked. So here what we can see is encode. It calls encode. We return the data, and then assertion fails. 93, 93, 93. Okay, CD something. It just say it's assertion at encode. Okay, maybe in encode we do something wrong. Let's see. Sender, let's put it here, and we can see how it packed values. Helpers. We can go to helpers, helpers. Oh, it's something else. Called it a copy. KCOG 256. Okay, let's figure that out afterwards. And we run it without this. Okay, this assertion failed where pmaster verification gas limit. It is something else and we are telling it. Okay, let's remove this. So rest of the values are correct. Pmaster verification. Okay, this part. Byte 16 paymaster and data event 128. So in paymaster and data we have done things correctly, but for some reason it returns this. Okay, back to our browser. Verification post of paymaster. So 1, 2, 3, and then paymaster data. How we have done up here. Encode paymaster. That's UN 256, so we don't have to wrap it. Are we doing something something wrong? Okay, so what we can do is we can go to paymaster test, paymaster integration test. Where is integration paymaster? ABR. Oh, okay, correct. So it's UN 128. Why is that? We have done you. I don't know why they have done this. Let's go here. No, not test. User operation library. First 20 bytes, then 16, then 16. So what's UN 256 solidity size in bytes? 32. Okay. So UN 128 is 16 bytes. Ah, okay. But here are they saying UN 128? No, they're not saying anywhere. They are expecting UN 128. So here you see 16 bytes, 16 bytes. That's why we moved it by 128 to the left, I think. Yeah, to the left. But for this, they are expecting address, which is 20 bytes, then 16 bytes for first value, 16 bytes for second value. But the data type here is UN 256 and UN 256. So you understood the issue, right? We are encoding it wrong. Let's say UN 128 and UN 128. Down here we have to do the same thing for both of the things, both of the UN 120 assert, both of the values that we are giving to assert equal to UN 128. We don't need to because assertion will be correct. In this scenario, the scenario I am editing right now, uint. Okay, so no, we failed somewhere. We didn't do packed. Packed. Okay, now it's getting irritating. If you see here, uh, call data, pmaster and data. This is a value. Same value here. Okay, we haven't changed the actual data, actual user op. Int 128, int 128, in the hash function. Now there we have issue in the hash function. So I'm pretty sure the issue will be here. Yes. The master and data. Whatever data we return. Okay, we have issue with hash function. We already know that. That's why we remove this, right? We need to go to helpers and understand how it's doing this. Call data kickoff. Uint array copies call data into memory. Do the unallocated memory. Mainly, this is more efficient than letting Solidity do it. How do we achieve this? Whenever there is an assembly block, I'm confused most of the time. So, what we can do, we have few things here and there. Forge coverage. Let's run the coverage and see what happens. Uh, how much user operation left we have covered. Go live. Back to browser. Open local host 5500 for almost everything. What part? Yeah. I know we haven't covered this. Why does it say one branch is not executed? Yes, to achieve this, we have certain conditions that I don't know how to get to them. Handle aggregate. Okay. Memory length. Where is this? Handle inner op. Okay. Handle inner op is. We haven't tested for this condition. Okay. That's pretty simple. User operation user operation reverted. No. Mode. What does it returns? Mode. Post execution. It goes in. Okay, let me zoom in. Then this part, context is greater than 0. We have to run everything. Try mode, post of reverted, post of execute private. Yeah, we can't test private functions, right? At least in the unit tests. In post of execution, everything is here. Okay, so bunch of these are just things I don't know how to achieve, like the conditions, and this I don't get it. What's the reason? I read the docs, like the I entry point, but that those just went over my head. Okay, and we know there is some issue with this. We do have to write handle aggregated ops, but I haven't able to learn BLS signatures and the rest of the stuff that's needed for this. So this whole part, if we did this, we'll go over 80%. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure of that. Entry point simulation. I don't even know what that is and how how to do that. Like what is use of that. We wanted to achieve like good coverage for this, right? We have. Okay, we can do this also. We can change user op and achieve this condition. Rest is covered, right? Okay, let's write that right now. So encoded data, no. Gas fees here. Just move this at the end. User op dot max fees per gas equal to 20. Okay, we have to hash it and change it. So this is gas fees, and then bytes 32 un 256 20 128 un 256 20 u int. Okay, so we'll remove this. Does that work? And max priority is 20, right? Yes, it's 20. Works. Okay, so we have covered everything here that we wanted to, or at least most of the part. Uh, Sorry, user operation lab will be 100% now. Let me run let the command complete. Okay, you see, it was somewhere 90 something. Now we have 100. Refresh this 100. In the stake manager, internal view. Okay, let's go to VS Code and search for that function. It is used in entry point simulation. So if we test simulation, it should work, right? Validation result. Let's we can uh, let's see okay, validation result. All this works. Let's go back to browser. This function will be tested at that point when we start entry point testing entry point simulation. Rest is 100. A part is remaining. 0 will try to do this, and tomorrow we'll definitely go over aggregated user ops and BLS signatures. Hopefully, if I covered it, like at least learned something. Then what else? Utils, static call, internal view, delegate call. Okay, don't know how to go about it. Harnesses. Okay, these are the only two functions, and we know what was the issue. So we should be able to cover it 100%. Mocks, simple account revert, entry point, fail, execute. Okay, at least one of these functions should run. If not, that's okay. Harnesses we have seen. Mocks, core how? Revert on call by execute. Simple harness. Simple account harness. Okay. Are we calling this function somewhere? Test execute reverts with correct revert error. Oh, okay. We'll see this tomorrow. Why this was failing. But we know we can get this to 100% definitely. So this can go to 100. Also, we'll put this in mocks instead of putting it here. There is a way to get all greens here instead of bunch of greens, yellows and reds. Okay, cool. Let me put commit this. No, get add copy get commit dash m. Was this was the commit should be user operation lib test comma coverage. How much was the coverage? Oh, 100 coverage 100% dash m 11th Jan 2025 stream work from 11th Jan 2025 stream comma link ge- get push. Okay, we have committed our work. That today's stream is done. I know 6 minutes early, but if we start writing test, it will take more than 6 minutes. So we can stop early and stop later. I don't know why, but that's what I want to do. Cool. Hopefully, if someone is watching this, see you guys tomorrow, same time, and you know what I want to do here on tomorrow's stream. So hopefully you are excited about it, and have a nice day.